What's wrong, Bubba? You don't feel good? You want to come help me plow, don't you? You just don't feel good, right? I know. I wish you can come with me too. You always come with me, don't you? Okay? You'll make it? He's had flu-like symptoms for the last couple days, so he's not going to be able to come help me plow. And he loves helping me plow, don't you? Okay, well, I love you. Tell him. Tell him to like and what? Don't want me to tell him? Well, you guys like and subscribe for us. Give him a thumbs up. He's not feeling well. Hey guys, got a lot of snow here in Indiana today, so get the old skid steer started up and let her start warming up, get that heat turned on, and yeah, get at it. Bring you guys along and have some fun. That fuel. Right there. Lights turned off, don't I? We got lots and lots of snow here in Indiana. Wife said her minivan got stuck, but she's a goofy goober. Wives